Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your personal finances? Struggling to keep track of your income, expenses, and savings goals? If so, you're not alone. Many people find managing their money a daunting task. But what if there was a simpler, more effective way to take control of your financial life? Today, we're going to dive into a comparison between two popular personal finance tools, Mint and YNAB. These tools are designed to help you track your spending, set budgets, and achieve your financial goals. But which one is the better fit for you? Mint versus YNAB. Mint, known for its user-friendly interface and free access, Mint offers a comprehensive overview of your finances. It automatically syncs with your bank accounts and credit cards, providing real-time insights into your spending habits. However, some users have criticized Mint for its reliance on advertising and potential privacy concerns. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, takes a more hands-on approach. It requires users to manually input their income and expenses, emphasizing mindful spending and budgeting. YNAB's unique zero-based budgeting method ensures that every dollar is allocated to a specific purpose, preventing overspending. While it may have a steeper learning curve, many users find YNAB to be incredibly effective in helping them achieve their financial goals. Key differences. User interface. Mint offers a more visually appealing interface, while YNAB prioritizes functionality and simplicity. Features. Mint provides a wider range of features, including credit score tracking and investment advice. YNAB focuses on budgeting and debt management. Cost. Mint is free, while YNAB offers a monthly subscription. Choosing the right tool. The best tool for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a free, easy-to-use option with a wide range of features, Mint might be a good choice. However, if you prioritize hands-on budgeting and want to develop more mindful spending habits, YNAB could be a better fit. Ultimately, the key to successful personal finance is finding a tool that works for you and sticking with it. Whether you choose Mint or YNAB, both tools can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Call to action. Have you tried Mint or YNAB? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.